Welcome back. Today we are going to look at a McCormick Deering O-6 and O-4, two tractors I wasn't very familiar with until I came across them at the Spring Crank Up hosted in Arcadia, Maryland. But they are McCormick Deering, very similar to a W6, I guess, made 1940 to 53, 25 horsepower and 38 horsepower roughly for the two models. I'll also post the YouTube of this gentleman and friend of mine. Check out his channel, and thanks for sharing the amazing
You're doing the
tractor.
crawl race. How the slowest? Are you practicing for it?
No, we're just messing around.
Dude, what year is that?
What did I say it was? 47.
The thing looks awesome.
Huh?
Thing looks awesome.
Yeah.
Beat the hell? Mold growing on it?
It hit every tree. It came out of a peach orchard.
And it's running that smooth, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool. Now he's running slow but smoking. I was worried he was going to catch fire. That's why I started moving.
Yeah, it's just a little bit.
I thought you were going to say just a little blow by. Have they done the tractor games?
I don't know when it is or what. I haven't heard anything. I haven't seen Gary for a while. So.
I didn't see him at all. I did see one guy down there with the clipboard, but I didn't know who he was.
Yeah.
So.
Like your videos, by the way.
Ah, thank you, sir.
Great job. I
Appreciate it. Thank you. So what model is this thing?
06 and that's an 04. Both orchard tractors.
Both of them are.
Yeah, but I'm missing the sheet metal.
I tell you, the sheet metal, as bad as it looks great. Just makes it, it just puts that,
I'd be happy if I had that sheet metal.
isn't it funny? Used to be like, rip that off, get new fenders made. Put
That's
it,
what the guy did with this. I scrapped it all.
yeah, that is just. Did it literally just get dragged out of a field? Been just sitting?
It was in the junk row, he said. This one sat for I don't know how many years out in the fence row.
Did you have to put tires on it?
No.
Really? Got lucky?
The only thing I've done to this was foul the points in the Magneto.
No shit.
And
That is awesome. Plugs? No?
Nope, I didn't do nothing to it. I found the points and
Change the oil, put gas in it, clean the gas tank, fuel filter.
the gas tank was like brand new inside.
Wow.
But you can see it's basically just iron pipe up here. Wow. And at some point, they had an upstack after they probably lost it to get it out, and they cut a hole in the hood, but then they realized that wasn't a good idea.
Probably being the orchard, right?
Yeah, so then they put it where it was supposed to be. Piped it down. Yeah, and the pipe hung way out the side, but I was like, oh, that's the only modification I made it.
Okay.
You're still way too fast.